Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to run disk check using command prompt in Windows. So let's get started. First, let's go to our file explorer and go to this PC section. Here we'll see all of your drives. As you can see, every drive has a capital letter at the end of them. So remember the letter as which drive you want, check, and then proceed. So now go to your start menu and type command prompt. Run as administrator when it's opened. Type the following text as shown. Or you can copy this text from the description below. Then press enter on your keyboard. It will show something like this. Just press Y on your keyboard and then enter. And then it will start checking your disk. It will take some time to scan. In my case, no issues are found in my disk, and that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel.